Hey, I'm Joe, and today I want to show you what you get when you order Schaaf Tools 4-piece bench chisel set. Here I've got a finely balanced multi-purpose woodworking chisel set from Schaaf Tools. This set is made with high quality steel that will definitely hold an edge, a set that hobbyists and beginners will find as a welcome addition to their bench. The blades are forged from chrome vanadium steel. They're tempered for superior edge retention, excellent for paring and chopping and anything you can throw at it in between. The handles are made of a beautiful ash wood for excellent comfort and balance, and certainly a finer aesthetic than a plastic alternative. This set from Schaaf Tools is durable enough to be used with a mallet, yet suited just as well to do finer work by hand. It looks like it was patterned after the popular Nayrix Richter set, but stands apart from pricier brands which cost about 3 times as much, as well as cheaper alternatives that have lower quality steel that don't hold an edge. I'm really impressed with Schaaf Tools' ability to offer such high-end tools at this price point. Each set is packaged and delivered with care, and the sleek canvas tool roll makes storing your set with care after use easy. If you look at the reviews on all their products, Schaaf Tools customer service is fast and responsive, and they stand by their promise to replace any chisel that might not meet your expectations. When it comes to woodworking, pick up this set by Schaaf Tools. They're incredibly affordable and even more capable. That's Schaaf Tools.